What's cooking, everyone? Welcome back to Lou's Food Reviews. Today, we're at Hattie B's Hot Chicken in the heart of Nashville, Tennessee. And we've got the 3-piece chicken tender meal with some pimento mac and cheese, some coleslaw, and some house sauce. This is the southern spice level, in other words, no spice. I've never had a bite of this before, as you can see. So it's going in. Let's start out with the pimento mac and cheese. Portions are kind of small, if you ask me, but anyway, let's give it a taste. Pardon me. House-made coleslaw. Last but not least, we got the chicken tender. Crack house sauce. Not that bad, kid. Overall, the food is fresh, reasonably priced. This was about $12.50 plus tax. The coleslaw is very refreshing, creamy, sweet. The house-made sauce, it's just like your standard Chick-fil-A sauce. And as for the tender, it has a slight crispy outer shell, very tender on the inside, very moist. Got a slight kick. I'm a fan. On a scale of 2 to 13, I'm going to give this a solid 12. Alright, that's all I got for you today. See you next time on Lou's Food Reviews.